we're back in Lado Weekend. Let's play. So let's go, Bill. They were doing something special. I use bullet trains. And now, not today. We're doing. What was this called again? Oh yeah, locomotive. I'm building a locomotive. And oh, this is it. This is the end. This is the end. This is the end. Wait, no, this is not the end. This is start. The new menu. Nah, so yep, that was my mother speaking. So let's just ignore that part. Yep, I'm trying to make a video. This is gonna be like this. So let's go. Where is it? Here. And I'll put this. This is like a life hack. What? The life hack. Wait a second. Yeah, one of those things like. No. This is the opposite of it. No. Okay, I'm just trying to figure out where it be. I don't know. I'm just gonna build it. This is gonna be like that. Look, it's all white and it's all. Wow. Wait. So here we have this white. Makes that. And we cannot fix that one problem. That is ruining the whole build right now. That's the only source of problem. There is I cannot remove. The Windows gonna be like that. Windows logo. Windows 10. Okay, so wow. Okay, now this weapon, yamon. No, lemon. Yes, lemon, on, lemon. Yep, this is not it. This is not the end. This is the start. This is not the end. This is because this is the start, and I'm gonna make it a hump, or what it's called again, a hump in the front. Man, then. So now, wait, let's just put an extra layer right here because it looks like something that I don't like. Yep. 1 and 2. Now let's go grab the wheels. Wait. This thing is not going. I have to make it a little bit bigger because look at the scale of this thing. Look at the wheel scale. So let's. Now the perfect size. This is gonna be tricky. That's not gonna be that tricky because I did it. Okay. I don't know what to say, but I'm gonna remove a layer of this. I'm gonna make it actually black. Yep. Oh no, that is supposed to be this. Now to align it. Boom. And now let's just put that there. And this is completed. The engine is completed. Not yet, right? We're still at the chimney. So the no. Guys, so in a short video we made it like this. Let's go to the other part. Okay, now that's the chimney. one there, another right there, and then there's bells. A whole lot of bells. I can put a jet engine and make a rocket. I'm gonna make that in the next one, but that would have been sick. Let's make a. Wait, I want to make a fat train. So let's make it a flat train. Okay, what train should I make? Oh yeah, I remember. I was about to say remember. What is remember? Remember. I am a member of remember. I am a member of remember. I am a member of remember. I'm joking. I am just joking. That was a little. That was funny. That was funny. Now let's put the wheels on the freight cars in India. India. Okay, this one. I said, oh, that was a little bit too much. Now let's just fill it like that. Okay, this is what? This is 4 and that's 1. Yeah, nothing else. Should I make a red one of this? I'm gonna make a red one. Red one. I saw tempting to make a red one. So I'm gonna make a red one. Well, here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go to here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now go to here. 1 and 2. Bam! I don't make the red one. Blue one and the red one. Blue one and a red one. So, this is all just part of one train. Like what? Okay, I'm gonna make a normal engine. But I'm gonna make this. Oh, but that does not look great with this because it is red and black. This is the high speed, so no. Yeah, this actually goes with it. This is a freight train engine and this is freight car. Do. Indian car. I'm gonna make a in the background. Okay. So yeah, it is got to be done. Who designed it? It was my idea to design it. Fair enough. So yeah, let's do it today. Today and tomorrow. Every day tomorrow. Okay. Now let's do this. Why are you rolling? Why are you rolling? I thought I could do once. Yeah. I want to make it that train was stoppy like that.